This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral 375 BAF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Willow Street. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a carbon interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, kitchen island, rear bath, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.